Hello guys, I'm Jeevana. I'm talking on the topic of Theviniens theorem. It is a seminar topic. I would like to talk about the Theviniens theorem and what are the steps to solve it, and we are going to learn it. So first, what is Theviniens theorem? See, what is Theviniens theorem means, in any linear bilateral network, it is consisting of many energy sources, like we have in that resistance and two voltage sources. So in that equilateral circuit will consist of Thevenin's voltage source. So we have to construct the bilateral network. See, in any linear bilateral network, in this Thevenin's theorem we have many energy sources, but in the superposition theorem we have independent sources. Network consisting of many energy sources. And also we have resistance. The resistance can be replaced with an equilateral circuit. It consists of Thevenin's voltage source VTH. Will denote voltage Thevenin's or Thevenin's voltage as VTH. Like that, will denote Thevenin's resistance as RTH. So like that only, will denote a load resistance as RL, and load current with IL. So in this Thevenin's theorem, how to solve the problems and how to find out them, we have a few steps, like 4 steps. We have to follow that 4 steps. It is easy to learn how to find Thevenin's theorem. So what is the step 1? Step 1 is, first we have to draw the circuit. It consists of voltage source and two resistance. Here we have RL. One is R1, R2. These both are resistances, and we have two terminals with this V1, and here it is V2, and this will denote as RL. So in the first step, what we have to do is we have to draw the original circuit, and then we have to remove the RL. Remove the RL. It is load resistance. Load resistance. We have to remove this part. Okay. When we remove this part, we have to redraw here. In these theorems, mainly we have to draw the diagrams to impress them and to be clear. Writing part will shown in diagrams, right? So that we'll draw the diagrams. We'll remove the RL, so it becomes like this. Next, step 2 is step 2, find the VTH. Find the equivalent Theviniens voltage or open circuit across the load. See, in the first step we have replaced RL, we have removed RL. There we have to find the VTH, right? In the place of RL we have to write VTH or VOC. Okay, how to find that? The formula is a formula for V Theviniens is V1 R2 plus V2 R1 by R1 plus R2. This is Theviniens voltage to find out. Okay, then what is the step 3? We have to find the equivalent resistance. Here we have to replace the internal resistance with the other energy sources. Okay, you have to take two terminals, two resistors. In the place of VTH we have to replace it with the RTH. So we are finding Theviniens resistance. Then what is the formula for resistance of Theviniens? Is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. This is the Theviniens resistance formula. So what is the step 4? What is the step 4 is we have to draw the whole 4 steps in the circuit. Okay, so draw the equivalent circuit. See, we have to draw like this. See, we have to draw like this. Here we have to write as RTH and these terminals are VTH. Here we'll write as RL. So this whole circuit is like IL, load current. What is the formula for IL? Is VTH by RTH plus RL. This is the formula for IL. By following these 4 steps, we can find the Theviniens theorem as possible as easily. So try it. Thank you for this opportunity.